today, um, ipaprank namin ngayon si Nick. Sabuat kami ni David, yung daddy niya. Ipaprank namin siya. Gamit ito, guys. Abagan nyo mamaya. Gamit ito. Pinagplanuhan na namin to ni David na iprank siya. This is really first time. Really first time guys na ipaprank namin si Nick, guys. Yung nagplano ng prank na to is ako. Sinabi ko lang kay David. Tapos first time namin na ipaprank siya. Tapos gusto ko na makita kung anong magiging reaction niya. So tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo kung anong magiging reaction niya. Gusto ko din makita kung anong magiging reaction niya. Pinagplanuhan na namin ni David kagabi. Watch this, guys.
I have a plan that I'm gonna prank Nick. Tomorrow morning, which is evening your time, then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna prank him. Then I'm gonna cough in so much. Then after a minute, like I'm gonna grab something. Then I'm gonna put a ketchup on my mouth. Then like I'm going back to the camera, then I just like act like normal. Then when he saw me, like I'm gonna cough it again. When he saw me, oh my god, I really want to see his reaction.
So, tatawagan na natin sila ngayon, guys. Tatawagan na natin sila ngayon. Tapos i-record ko para makita nyo kung anong magiging reaction ni Nick. Okay.
Listen. He's gone out of the room now. So what we can do is we start playing the game like you want to ask questions and we answer and then start and I'll say, babe, go get a water. And when you leave, I'm gonna leave too. I'm gonna say I gotta go to the bathroom. And then you come back and do the go and then I'll come in.
Okay. That's a good idea. Okay. I think math. We're going to math again. Okay.
Do mathematics again.
Mm-mm. Then can you go down like this? Because
Okay.
Nick, Daddy, are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. 25 divided by 5. What is your
I
answer?
know that one.
What is your answer, Nick? 5. 5? Correct.
Yes. Well, that's easy, Rosemary. That one was easy.
Okay. 100 divided by 8. What is the answer, Nick?
I give up.
What is your answer, Daddy?
20.
What is your answer?
20.
Wait, what was the question again?
100 divided by 8. What is your
Wait,
answer?
hold on.
What's your answer, bro?
What is your answer?
12 with a remainder of 4.
That's correct, Daddy. I'm asking. I'm the one who asked you. But I'm the one who asked you, Daddy. The answer.
Yeah, you gotta know the answer. You're asking the question. Hold on, I gotta go pee. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay. Nick. 7 times 3.
21. Everybody knows that. It's 21.
Okay.
Yay.
Wait, Nick. Nick, wait. Just stay there. I'm going to. Just stay there. I'm going to drink some water. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. Just wait. Just stay there.
What? Is that real blood? Is that blood?
Yeah.
Go wipe it off. Go get some paper towels. Go get some paper towels. Go wash it off. Oh, she's bleeding out of her mouth.
What happened?
Look, she's bleeding out of her mouth. Look.
You okay?
Rosemary,
Oh no.
prank. That's a
Daddy, why? Why you tell me? Why you disturbing him?
I did. He didn't he figured it out. I don't know how.
My dad, because my dad started laughing. Because my dad started laughing and then I saw you smile.
I didn't laugh.
It looked You're like, oh.
Until you said Frank.
Take a picture.
He was scared. He was scared.
Oh my gosh, this is not good, prank. This is
I
not good.
really thought you were having internal bleeding.
Wally, Wally.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Holy wow.
Yay. Nah. Rosemary, wipe that off. Wipe that off. Had to be a prank.
Look.
Yay.
Yay.
Now you gotta go to the bath. Wait, what even was that?
Awesome.
I thought I was like I'm pretty sure that this is going to be extremely successful prank. Yay.
No, it wasn't. It was not. I figured it out. I saw you laughing.
I didn't laugh.
Yes, you did.